Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. And in today's episode, I will introduce you one of the most applicable model from Vans. And here it is. So let's check it out and have a look. Okay, here is our main character today, the Vans Old Skool All Black, which is a very special colorway for the Vans Old Skool. So let's have a look at the model. And here our sneaker, Vans Old Skool All Black. As you can notice, Vans is one of the most classic shoes of all time. So I mean that this shoe is super applicable and super easy to use. It can go and look so good with any type of clothes. And Vans Old Skool is like a trademark for the Vans brand by its special feature, the jar icons, which is super funny, but it's super impressive. Alright. And yeah, if you check out, if you already used Vans before, you may notice that on the Vans shoe have some kind of smaller fit to other type of shoe. Just like when you use a Converse in the size 41, you have to reduce a half size when you use Vans. That's it in my experience. And also, this shoe is in the all black version, so it has some special feature that you can see here, that all of its part except the insole and the outsole are made by the black color. But there is an interesting combination of material. You can see it here. The jar logo is made by leather, and also at the collar of the shoe you can see that it has a layer of leather too, which makes it look very shiny. The eyelet is made by a black plastic material, which has some black color blades to go along with them. The insole of this shoe is also unremovable, so it just sticks to the outsole. This type of sneaker, if you don't know, it's called the vulcanized sneaker, and it has a distinctive waffle outsole. And for this type of shoe, it is a little bit firmer than other type of shoes. If you don't get used to wearing this type of shoe, you may feel a little bit uncomfortable because the shoe is a little bit stiff and you can feel a little bit painful when you use it for a long time. But also a plus point of this type of old school model is that it has cushioning around its collar, so the shoe may feel a little bit more comfortable compared to the authentic brand of the Vans. And it has a red stamp at the back. Overall, this model is super easy to use because you don't worry to get it when it gets dirty. And even though when you clean the Vans shoe, there is one very big problem, is that the color are super easy to run from this part to another part when you clean a Vans unprofessionally. But with this type model, you don't have to worry about these issues anymore, because you can clean it just by yourself. You don't need to bring it to any store. But with the all black color, the color running from different parts won't happen. Or if it happens, it's very unnoticeable. Okay, so that's a close look and short introduction to this type of shoe. See you again in next episode of Chim Sneaker. And now bye bye. Don't forget to like, share my video, and subscribe to my channel in order to see more interesting content, and also to support me to review more interesting shoes. Bye bye.